Good morning, everybody. It's been a bit. We've had a lot going on here on the farm. A lot of changes. Computer's been down. Contract work in the basement, because you know how it is when a basement floods. It screws it all up. So I'm going to take you around, show you what things look like now. We've had some changes, improvements, and all kinds of good stuff. So let's get on with that jazz, and I'll carry you along as I do the morning chores. I hope you guys can see this, but that's a brooder feeder out of a 5-gallon bucket for, let's see if I can get you guys in there. They're trying to hide, but I've got a little batch of Easter egger chicks in here. So, we got some babies going. We have some babies going. So, it ain't all the babies that we have, but we got some stuff going on. So, let's get to work. Look out, chicken. Let's get these guys some more water. Alright, we'll button these dudes up and we'll move along to the barnyard via the ATV. Oh, and I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but I love the 6x6. And it's a nice, comfortable ride. We'll do more videos on specifically this piece of equipment later on. I'm coming, babies. I'm coming. Hold you tighter. I lost you there. Let's try that again. There. Nobody hits the fence, that'll be good. Come on, baby. Ladies and gentlemen. Big ones and little ones, come on. Hello, Moon. What's Percy? Come on out. Everybody out. Yeah, everybody out. Come on. Okay. Got me a duck egg. Alright, let's take a walk through the barnyard here. Check on everybody. Got me a duck egg. Hello, littles. And this little girl is due to have babies today. Let's see how she's doing. How you doing, Peony? Huh? You are beginning to pull hair, aren't you? Alright, I'll leave you alone. I'll bring you some fresh food and water. And hay. And we've got Hardly over here. She had babies a while back. I get to show them off. If they don't jump out. Back, back, back. Say hello, Harley. Say hello, babies. And there's the other baby. I say hello to the daddy. Hey, Captain. What's going on? Hey, yeah. You waiting on food, ain't you? I'll be around. I got to show off to everybody our newest babies. This is a brand new breeder that I've got, in addition to an empty water bottle. Sunny. Say hello, Sunny. And here is Sunny's brand new babies. Oh, she's done good by those babies. You guys know my handshake, so if the camera's shaking, it ain't your TV, it's me. But I've got something else to show off to you that we haven't shown off in a while. This is our water catchment system that we've got for the ducks and the rabbits. And kind of proud of myself because, I mean, it's really rednecked. But we have a gutter system. And the pipe comes down into the garbage can with chicken cup holders. And of course I fill up rabbit bottles out of all this. But it keeps the water super, super clean. There's the other side, if you can see it through the sun. And a stray cup. And it all overflows down here in the duck pond, which is a tad green. I think I need to get some koi fish and put it in there. And change the water. But we're making small improvements here and there. We will be retiring these hutches really soon because they have done their job. They're worn out, they're old, and they're just not going to be used anymore. They've been used and abused and reused, and now it's time for them to go away. See if the chickens laid any eggs in there. No, but they made themselves a nice nest. All right. So, let's go see what's happening in the other rabbit barn. Hey, duckies. I have to get out here and throw some food in a little bit, but so far, that's where we're at. Hang loose while we'll chain the gate. Oops. I know y'all looking up at the sky, wasn't you? Alright, into the other rabbit barn, where somebody forgot to put the lid on the food can. We have got some beautiful looking mini Rexes in here. Let's set the duck egg down. Let's check them out. Hello boys, y'all ready for breakfast, ain't you? And as always, you end up with more boys than girls. Those are boys. And here's some girls. And I've got a couple more boys over here. Hey. I've always got more boys than girls. Mama's got to get a spider web cleaning going on. And Sway is looking to welcome everybody. Say good morning, Sway. And now our favorite buck, Blue, passed away around the 4th of July. So we took one of his youngsters in here, and he's going to grow out and be a replacement. So the line will still be going. But here's little Mr. Dorian there. Dorian, say hello. Whew, that focus is bad. Let me open his lid here. There. Say hello, Dorian. You know, Dorian Gray, the gray rabbit. Yeah. I'm not too creative with my labeling on my rabbits. But whatever works, you know. Alright, so we're going to ride the 6x back up to the front of the house, and I'll show you what's going on in the planter beds on the handrail planters. Alright, I told you guys I was going to look at the handrail planter. Well, check it out if I don't trip. I have loofahs growing like crazy in most cases. He's got a good runner on him. Can't wait for that to drape over the side. But the plants didn't grow as well as I thought they would. I've got one entire planter that didn't grow. All the seeds came out of the same packet. How weird is that? You know? I thought it was squirrels at first, but we participated in a squirrel eradication program, aka a BB gun, and that just wasn't the problem. So, hopefully I will have loofahs by the fall, and they'll be sitting up drying out, and I'll have me some true loofah sponges by winter. So, alrighty, there is one more thing I want to show you guys before I shut the video down for the day, and that is how prosperous the garden was so far. So, we go to the good old pantry here, and you see jars overtaking the canned goods here. You know, anything that you eat, you should be able to put away for yourself and grow for yourself. So we've got that. We have bone broth down here, hiding away in the cabinet. And getting ready for the freezer is 18 gallons of green beans. We don't always put everything in the jar. And more goodies. We have tomato juice and more tomato juice. Canned green beans, and I'm starting on my seed saving. So, whenever you guys get ready to do things like that on your own, just jump in, plant something. You know, start with one, like I did, start with one vegetable that you could replace in your pantry with something that you grew. And then bump it up to 2 or to 3 or however many you can get. And that is the best way to reestablish yourself and get back to living off grid, off the land, and taking better care of yourself. There are too many food recalls to not do something. So do something, even if it's only one plant, and get yourself back to nature. So with this, we'll sign off, and I'll see you on the next video.